Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I will show you how can you remove tempered glass from your display in this smartphone. It's very simple. All you have to do, put your finger underneath this tempered glass from one of the edge, for example here, and take a look. Just do it like that. And right now you can move your finger to left side. Right now you can put your second finger here and do it slowly. Try to don't break your glass. And push it towards you. Okay, and as you can see, the glass is removed from our display. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.